Hello friends, this video on equilibrium part 39 is brought to you by exampeer.com. No more free from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched all the previous parts. Now let's talk about the salt of strong acid and weak base. Strong acid, weak base. Let's find the value of K. So a typical example can be NH4Cl. So it breaks into NH4 plus and Cl minus when we put water. And let's have this water also. Water becomes NH4 plus and H plus and OH minus. So here if you see, these guys will combine, correct? Because HCl won't combine, it's a very strong acid. So HCl wants to dissociate into H plus and Cl minus, and so here is 90%. But NH4OH doesn't want to dissociate, so it will combine actually to form NH4OH. So it will be something like this, right? So it will combine. So if you add all this equation, you get something like this. I'm just removing the Cl minus part here. So what you get is NH4 plus water, this part, and combining all these equations gives NH4OH. Because you combine these two, you get NH4OH and H plus here, right? Because these two you combine, you get NH4OH. And this is happening in the product side. So on the product side we have NH4OH. This is my final reaction. So for this reaction, the KH, because the hydrolysis reaction, will be what? Concentration of NH4OH, this guy, concentration of H plus, concentration of, you can ignore NH4 plus, right? So I have a base reaction here, so let's find the Kb also for this. Will be what? NH4 plus, OH minus and NH4OH, correct? And let's multiply KH and Kb similar to what we did earlier. So we'll get something like NH4OH, H plus, NH4 plus, then we have NH4 plus here, then we have OH minus, and then we have NH4OH. Let's cancel this part, What I'm left with is H plus into OH minus, and that is nothing but Kw. Because you can see that KH into Kb is nothing but Kw, or I can say that KH is nothing but Kw by Kb. Easy only. Now let's try to find the degree of hydrolysis for this. Similar way, let's initial concentration is C here, ignore this part, this is 0, this is 0, at T is equal to 0. So at T is equal to equilibrium, this will become C into 1 minus H. So instead of alpha, use H here. This becomes CH, this becomes CH. So my KH is what? Concentration of NH4OH, concentration of H plus, I divide the concentration of NH4 plus. So what is the concentration of NH4OH? That is CH, concentration of H plus, CH, and this is C into 1 minus H. It cancels, so this becomes, and 1 minus H is almost equal to H because the hydrolysis is very less. So you can assume this is nothing but CH square. So my KH is nothing but CH square. So H is what? KH by C. And KH is what? KW by KB into C. So here the degree of hydrolysis is root KW by KB into C. Correct. Now let's try to find the pH of the solution now. pH of this solution. So I'll make some space here for pH of the solution. So pH is what? pH is nothing but I have to find hydrogen ion concentration. So hydrogen ion concentration finding is very simple here because this is CH, right? That is nothing but C into H, that is this guy, KW, KB into C. This is nothing but root of Kw into C into Kb. So pH will be what? pH is nothing but minus log of H plus ion concentration. That is nothing but minus log of this whole thing, root of Kw into C by Kb. And that is nothing but minus 1 by 2. And it will come here. This will become pKw plus log C minus pKb. This is what you'll get. Pretty easy. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.